Hi guys,
How many piglets in
Good morning everyone. I'm making here a decoration on the wall. A frame. This is the frame of in picture. Flower picture. I wanna set that on the wall. There's another one I've done. Nice. There's another one there too. Very nice. See, so nice the picture. Super unique. I wanna open this one, guys, so you can see how did they make it. See, they put here a there are many here. Foam. It is so wow, very good idea. Yeah, you set a foam so it looks like very thick. It's super unique. It's so nice, guys. See. The other one. Nice. I still need to put here. The back letter. Nice. Very nice. I love decoration. At least there is something to look here. It's like dining room. This is really unique picture frame. Very, very unique. And you see at the back, there are so many color, but at the original is so different. You might be out of stock. I like this one. Oh, red. There. And what else here? This one, I like it. I like that. And the blue inside the kitchen. I set it there. So we have everything. The only lacking here is the red one and this one. And here too. But here I have this one. I have nice. Very nice. I need to set this one here next. Here. There you go. Nice. You need to look to fasten this one. Okay. I use the electric tape. Time to hug. Very nice. I like it. Ready for my visitor this coming Saturday. Hello everyone. Today is my birthday. I am old. But today we don't have we won't prepare food because we will do that one this coming Saturday. I invited some friend of ours and I will just make a simple food for them, and of course there is a cake. Guess what, guys? My age. You will know this coming Saturday. You can't believe really my age. So for now, I'll just make I'm making some decoration here. We won't go out. No budget. But that's okay. Let's get inside to the kitchen, guys. I rearrange again here, but I need to change the curtain here. So this is a little bit wider now. Nice. And guys, here is my banner. Philip did it. We went to the printing what do you call this one? Printing office. They have two banners here. And of course this is stick for balloons. There's Philip here. Hey, do you drink this one? Philip worked hard today. What did you, excuse me, we're drinking Royal here. What did you do this morning?
Oh, we weeded rice field number 1 and 2, and I weeded it while Lando dug it up. So we're all done with all 5 rice fields. Getting ready to...
I'm going to plant there. I have pepper.
No. We'll plant the peppers out here. This is much better soil right now. But we're going to, this afternoon, we'll start weeding that and getting the stuff out. And then
Excuse
go
me,
from
guys.
There.
I'm full with that soft drinks. Hi guys, we'll see you back on Saturday. Today's my birthday, you know, so we'll celebrate on Saturday. So we're cleaning here, preparing the things that we gonna do on Saturday.
Yep.
Am I right, Dylan?
Yep. Very good. It's a birthday girl. Yeah.
I wanna go out here. Yeah, I'm done decorating the picture frame. Dali lang. Okay. It's so nice here. Oh, come out. The electric tape doesn't work. The electric tape.
For what now?
The tape that I used to the picture
Doesn't work?
doesn't work.
The what tape?
This one. The black.
I'll use the white.
Okay, let's see this one if this is work. It will work. I don't know.
That should work a lot better. The electrical tape ain't for that. Electrical tape is made to stick
Better.
to itself.
Don't fly. Thanks guys for watching.